viewers, welcome to Sharda's Botany. This is Sarda, and now we are going to discuss what is botany and how important is botany to life and subfields in the botany. What is botany? Botany is called plant sciences or plant biology. It is the science of plant life. The term botany comes from ancient Greek word in which boskein Greek word is derived to botany and botany is derived to form botany. The person who studies plants is called botanist or plant biologist. There are many kinds of plant biologists. The botanists study various aspects of plants. They actually focus on the agricultural applications of plants. And some botanists conduct experiments to enhance the yield, disease resistance, drought resistance, or nutrition value of crops. The most important work of botanists is critical to environment conservation. Their research helps determine how different plants may react to climate change and how to protect native species from invasive ones. Agriculture botanists work at the front lines of the food crisis and helps increase supplies of medicines, fibers and timber as well. Botany is one of the natural sciences. Natural sciences can be organized under two broad categories: physical sciences and biological life forms, in which botany is derived from biological life forms of natural sciences. The world is full of different kinds of organisms living on the earth, like animals, birds, humans, and plants. This video clip shows the developing and growing plants. Plants are one of the most important fascinating group of organisms living on the earth. They serve as the conductor of energy in the biosphere, provides food and shape our environment. Everything is derived from the plants. The food we take like rice, grains, pulses and the flowers are used for the commercial purposes and vegetables, fruits are used for all the humans for their food purposes. The beauty of the nature itself is related to the botany. The botany name itself consists of plants. The plants are the primary ornaments to the nature. Without plants, the beauty of the nature can't exist. So beauty of the nature exists within the plants. Traditional Ayurveda is derived from the study of botany, that is medicinal botany. In Sanskrit, Ayurveda means science of life. Ayurveda has been originated more than 5000 years ago. It is called mother of all healing. The leading techniques in growing of plants are like bonsai. Bonsai is a Japanese art from which utilizes cultivation techniques to produce mini trees. These are so expensive. The next one is mini glass forest. These are mixed plantings of small plants that are decorated inside the glass jar. These are used for the decoration purposes. And the next one is hydroponics. This method of growing plants without soils is one of the leading technique in growing of the plants. These are all the leading techniques and also the skilled techniques in the botany field. There are many organizations and treaties for the protection of plants. In the Royal Botanical Garden situated in London, it is the largest storage of plant herbarium and it is also a place for the protection of various different kinds of live plants that are grown in largest scale in the world. Not only the botanical gardens, museums are also the storage of plant specimens and herbarium. These organizations are for the protection of plants and for study purposes in future. Botany is such a broad field of study. It has been divided into number of smaller fields. The main divisions of botany are shown in the table. There are significant overlap of these divisions as well as overlap with other sciences, and they should not be used as a separate and distinct. Plants are the integral part of human life. They are used in various aspects of day-to-day lives. Botany studies the characteristics and uses of these plants. Botany is also important in the area of economic productivity because it is involved in the study of crops and ideal growing techniques that helps farmers increase crop yield. If you like my explanation, please share and subscribe to Sharda's Botany.